Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. If you haven't joined me before, welcome, and I hope you'll explore the videos and find some things that are useful to you. This is just a short video about how to hack out old putty from a rebate once you've removed a window. And these are the tools. 2 humble chisels. I wouldn't use the same chisels that you use for your woodworking because you're going to wreck the tips. And a hacking out knife. Hammer. And white spirit. So if you keep watching, you'll see how I use all these tools and hopefully you can pick up some helpful techniques. Now that the window's out, I'm going to clean up the rebate and just chip all this putty out, which sometimes comes out easily and sometimes doesn't. I'm going to try with my hacking knife actually, because it'd be good for me to demonstrate how you use one of these. So this is a hacking or hacking out knife, and you lay it this way and you tap on the back of the blade. The sun is in my eyes. So you want to get back to the wood. This putty is quite hard to get out actually. Sometimes it comes out much easier than this. Sometimes it basically falls out. But I think because this isn't very old, some bits, it comes away very easily and it basically hasn't adhered to the door anymore. Other places where you see it takes the wood with it, it's really sticking hard to the door. So that's why sometimes it just pings away really easily and other times it doesn't. trouble here with this paint that was so sticky before when I was taking the beading out. I'm basically having to just chisel through the paint. Now that I've chipped away all the putty and I'm back to the wood, I clean it out, give it a good dusting, and then I'm going to clean it with white spirit and try and make it as dust free as possible, because that means I get all the really dirty work done now rather than when I come back to fit the remade window. Yeah, so it shouldn't be a dusty job the next week if I get it all done now.